We're at the FLIBS, Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show, in the Caterpillar booth, and I'd like to show this combination Caterpillar diesel engine. This is a plastic model, by the way, with the gray device on top, which is a SCR, Selective Catalytic Reduction Unit. So if you know anything about diesel engines, we've gone through different emission standards starting in 2000. So we went with Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, and now we're at Tier 4 level of exhaust emissions. So I'm not an expert, but I'm assuming this model of the Caterpillar is a Tier 2, certified Tier 2 by the EPA. By the way, there's the raw water pump right there. So you can see the rest of the engine. And looking on the back, you can see the two banks, the right-hand bank, the left-hand bank, and those are the cylinders if this were V6, V8, V10. And then both of those banks come up into this pipe into the SCR. And you might notice when you go to a truck stop, there's a blue liquid called DEP, diesel exhaust fluid, DEF. So you put the DEF in here, it runs through some baffles, and it removes a lot of the poisonous exhaust gases, and it comes out here, and you'll have an NOx, nitrogen oxide sensor, and the exhaust comes out that's compliant with the Tier 4 EPA exhaust. If you've got more questions about SCRs, that's the name, SCR, or with the Caterpillar use of the SCR, look up Caterpillar on the internet, or you can ask Captain Chris.